Stay. Good boy. Stay. Hi. Hi, mister. Stay. Oh, that's a good boy. Hi. You gonna be in my video? Let's see how this works. Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel Corruption. My name is Christopher, or I also go by Corrupt or Corrupt Cosplay on some of my social media. This is my dog Winston, and he's going to be joining me in opening up some Pokemon cards. If you've watched any of our videos before, basically going to be just unwrapping some packs of Pokemon cards. We've got some Vivid Voltage and then some Champion's Path. So we've got about 5 Vivid Voltage to try and get us off to a good start. And then hopefully to finish us off, Champion's Path. We got about 24 of those. So far, basically the anticipated cards that we're trying to get are Gigantamax Pikachu from the Vivid Voltage pack, which I have not pulled yet. And we're looking for, through Champion's Path, there's a couple cool cards. Main ones that we're looking for are the Charizard. So there's a Shiny Charizard and there's a Gigantamax Rainbow Charizard as well. And I have yet to get the Gigantamax one Rainbow either. So the secret rare cards that we're anticipating for, those are always the big hitters, and hopefully we get some through these pulls today. So we're going to start off with Vivid Voltage, and best of luck to me. Hopefully you're going to be a good luck charm, right? And said you're looking scared. I don't know if you can see him down there, but like oh my goodness. Oh buddy, you look so upset. Alright, let's get started, guys. Let's hope I can open these with ease today. Not quite yet. Oh, opening them the wrong way, though. Alright, game code, and then we're good. Oh my goodness, the whiting on that edge there. Right off the bat. Not looking too solid, but hopefully our pulls are even. Well, hopefully our pulls are good. Alright. Oh my god, right away we get the Celebi! The amazing rare! No way! And centering on it is looking not fantastic, but really good. This one's a little bit wider. Oh my goodness, and we got a full art as well. Wow, first pack. This is probably the first time I've gotten a really good card on the first pull. Nice, guys. So that's our third Celebi that we've pulled together. So hopefully we're still waiting on Rayquaza. We don't have that yet. That's a big one that I've been hoping for. But actually, I'm gonna check the back of this either. Back of it, the right is looking a little bit wider. Top and bottom are looking pretty good though. Oh my goodness, there you go. Awesome, man. This is like what I want out of Vivid Voltage, is the amazing rares. They're just, in my eyes, the kind of art that is on the card is just incredibly nice looking. All right, off to a great start already. Cool. Good luck charm, buddy. You're a good luck charm. All right, let's get to the second pack here. Right off the bat, that makes me so happy. Hopefully, and that's only at a 5-pack, so. All right. Charmander, nice. Okay, and not a whole lot there. Hopefully everybody's doing all right today. Nice wind down of the night, chilling with my dog. Right? Right, buddy? Yeah. You don't care, do you? Charmeleon, nice. It's always nice just to see the starters and their evolutions. Wow, that was sloppy. Right off the bat. Oh, nice. Reverse holo. Oh my god, Togekiss. And this is the ultra rare card too, so that's freaking wicked. Nice. VMAX Dynamax. Look at that card. Oh my, why am I? The centering is not great on the bottom though. Really thin on the bottom, you can see. Dynamax. Let's Centering's still not great on the bottom too. That's awesome. From these, man, this is our third pack and we've already gotten 2 full arts and then an amazing rare. All right, see you, buddy. Thanks for hanging out. All right, second last of Vivid Voltage. Let's see what we can get. Still waiting for that Pikachu. Gigantamax. All right, Wooper and Beedrill. Oh, that's a different art. I'm pretty sure. Okay. I've gotten Beedrills. I guess that's the Champion's Path one. That's a different style card. Unless there's 2 different versions in this, which I don't think there is. All right, last one. Vivid Voltage. Let's give a big hitter here. Big hitter. That's what we want. Number 3, 4. Starting off with Water Energy. What do we got here? Come on, amazing rare. That was, okay, no, and, oh, nice, guys. I don't even have that one. Telescopic Sight, nice. This is freaking wicked. Nice secret rare, or yeah, secret rare. Gold card, I do not think I have this one yet either. Wow, that was a great freaking first set of cards. Vivid Voltage coming to play. You know what, I hope the luck continues with Champion's Path for sure. But right now I'm going to pause it because my dog's eating and I don't need him to be chewing in the background. Alright, well now that we're back, my dog is no longer eating. We're going to jump into Champion's Path now. So we've got 24 of these to go through. Hopefully they are as good as the Vivid Voltage were. That was pretty solid. I am not upset about that at all. That's freaking wicked. Getting one of almost every type of card that you want in every like rarity. All right, starting with number 1. Okay, that was the Beedrill that I was referencing. Sometimes you forget what. Okay, there you go. And oh, look at that. First pull, you get the reverse holo and the regular holo. Okay. Not like it's anything special, but at least we got the reverse holo of that. Sure. Sure. I'm excited for these ones. I don't know why, because half of the cards in this set aren't really anything special, but I mean, Charizards are wonderful things. Okay. Ooh, look at that. Evolutions here. Look at that. You get the evolution. Cool. Buddy, you just don't know what to do you? Just celebrate, open up Pokemon cards with me. Alright, reverse holo, the same one I just got. And, oh my goodness, really? Of course. Okay. Reverse holo and regular. Well, so far it's been a bust, but we got a bunch to go through. And like I said, it just takes one. Just takes one. 4, 5, 4, 5, energy, flip. Alright guys, still need that secret rare Charizard. Okay. Ooh, there we go. Get a nice ultra rare right there. Full art card. Always like the design of this guy. Cool. Alright, we got a couple full arts now. Wait, we got a first full art now. Alright, let's see what else we get. Come on. Ooh, nope, not that one. Let's get some more full arts. Get some more secret rare ones. Ooh, not that one either. Okay. All right. Let's see, guys. Sorry, my dog keeps on like walking around and he needs his nails clipped, and he just keeps click clacking all over the place. So, trying to not get that in the recording. All right. Let's see what we get. Nice Leaf Energy, Gym, Leader, Leaf Junior. Okay, another one of that. And Professor. Oh my goodness. Not the greatest first box here. Love how it's been like going Vivid Voltage. It's been great. Champion's Path hasn't been. Champion's Path has been great. And then Vivid Voltage isn't great. They all just be amazing cards. I don't know why I'm like shaking. Just preemptively shaking in case I pull it. Come on, no. Oh, man. 3 left of the first half. Got a bunch of you. Weedle. Ooh, there we go. Another full art. Liking that. Nice ultra rare card. Ursula. Throw that in there. Nice though. Looks really cool. I like the way that card looks. Get some secret rares. I actually don't have a lot of secret rares in Champion's Path. Reverse Hollow and Machamp. So it's been a bummer because I still have a bunch to get and haven't gotten them yet. Got it. Pokeball back to back, and not what we want to see. Reverse Hollow, Pokeball. Come on, give me something I can catch. So far we're doing okay. I'll give it an okay. Not for Champion's Path, but the Vivid Voltage just kind of balanced it out a little bit. Fire. Ooh, I always like seeing fire energies. Not that it means anything. Whole bunch of trash and ooh, Venusaur. Nice. Okay. Nice full art ultra rare Venusaur there. Looks like he's about to eat something. Nice. Okay, I'll always take a Venusaur. Number 1 of this set. Cool. Alright guys, we are officially halfway through, and that was a great one to end off the first half with. Now we're gonna get right into here. Hello.
Hello. Are you recording?
I might be.
I'm leaving.
You can come through.
Okay, I'm sorry.
It's okay. My roommate, what a mess.
I just want my noodles.
Just gonna leave that part in there. I just want my noodles. Well, thank you for the cameo.
What?
Thanks for the cameo.
No.
Alright guys, first pack of the second pile. Let's see what we got. That there. I'm so confused on what I'm doing right now. Yeah, okay, there we go. Fighting energy, not what we want to see, but I mean, that doesn't really actually matter. Alright, and ooh. Well, it's fire energy. I want it to one day be Charizard on the fire energy pool, you know? That would be epic. Okay, guys, here we go. Leaf energy. Got a nice phone. Let's take me to the gym. Start sniffing the ground. Running around. Get scared about. Ooh. And again, back to back. Oh, wait, no, that's not back to back. I lied. Want to see those rare cards coming through. Electric energy. I feel like these are just like the same pulls over and over. Oh my goodness. I haven't got that today, but got it now. Ooh, reverse all of that. Nice. And wow, that. Alright, not even prepared for what's about to happen. Yeah, I was not prepared for that at all. Bummer. Oh, reverse hollow of his pre-evolve form. Alright guys, send me some good vibes here. Got 5 more packs after this. Come on, Charizard. Ooh, cool. Ooh, nice! Ultra rare full art Gardevoir. Look at that. Nice. Just doing a nice little, what is it? Magical shot? Is that one? Maybe the swelling pulse is what she's charging up her move there. Look at that. There we go. Got a nice full art here for you. Add that to the collection. I'll take that for sure. Boom, boom, chin. Choke. Chop. Why is this making me feel like I'm gonna get him a champ? And no, I did not, but I got that one for the 3rd time in almost in a row. Yeah, that's great. Leaf energy, is that still there? Oh man. Okay, Weedle, and this not so good of a card. Nice rainbow card. Preferably Charizard, but even if it isn't, I'd be okay with just one. Or gold. I haven't gotten gold in forever from Champion's Path at least. Reverse hollow and you know, Winston, you are not graceful. Alright guys, this is our 2nd to last pack. I am really hoping that we get something good in these last 2. Even if it's just one of the last 2, that's all that we want. Something good. Okay guys, something good. Ooh, Wilmer. Always say that. Wailord. It has digivolved into Wailord. Okay, cool. Full art. I only had one of these before. Got a 2nd one, that's alright. Always enjoy the full arts. Except I still don't think I have one of like good full art cards. Last pack of the day. Come on, let's make it a good one, guys. Oh, nice. Whitening on the edge. Gonna love that. Well, let's see what it is. Beedrill. Starting there. Last pack, good old Weedle, and Machamp. Just ending it off with a bang. All right, well, that wasn't really as exciting as I was hoping it was going to be, but we did get some pretty cool cards anyway. So we're going to go through what we got. We start off with our Champion's Path. Oh, we did get a couple. Whoa, okay, we got a bit more than I expected. So we got 5 out of the 24. That one doesn't need to be in there. Full art cards, Wailord, Gardevoir, Venusaur, Ursula, Graplocked. That looks pretty cool. I really like that. Then we get then a Vivid Voltage came to the plate today and crushed it by giving us 4 awesome cards. There we go. There we have it. We had a bunch of decent pulls. We didn't get any crazy cards. Well, we got a nice secret rare there, but at the end of the day, and we got an amazing rare. We want to see those Charizards come up next, and hopefully we do next time we pull some Champion's Path. Thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. I am extremely happy for everybody who takes their time to watch me open up some Pokemon cards, see what we get, and hopefully we have another video coming up soon that we get some really awesome cards in there as well. Thank you again. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the video if you enjoyed what you saw. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Have a good one, guys. Bye now.